Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have a very special episode for all the currency collectors out there. We're unpacking two letters filled with some amazing banknotes for my collection. From commemorative editions to unique polymer notes, we've got an incredible variety to show you. So, let's dive in and check out each of these treasures one by one. First up, we have two stunning 20 yuan banknotes from China, dated 2022. These are commemorative vertical banknotes celebrating Beijing 2022, with one polymer and one regular edition. The artwork and design on these are absolutely fascinating. Next, from Fiji, we have a unique $7 banknote featuring the national rugby team. It's not every day you see currencies celebrating sports teams like this. Moving on, we have a 1 dinar note from Qatar. Simple yet elegant, it's a fine addition to any collection. From Pridnestrovi, or Transnistria, we have a 5 rubles note. This region has some of the most interesting currencies, and this piece is no exception. Here's something truly remarkable, a 5 billion dinar note from Yugoslavia, 1993. The hyperinflation period produced some jaw-dropping denominations, and this is one of them. From Paraguay, we have a 2000 Guaranese polymer banknote. The use of polymer in banknotes is a trend that's catching on for its durability and security features. This $5 note from Trinidad and Tobago is another polymer gem, showcasing the island's commitment to modern currency technology. And here, we have a $5 Eastern Caribbean polymer banknote with Queen Elizabeth II. It's a beautiful piece for collectors of Commonwealth currencies. From Guyana, check out this $20 note featuring a majestic ship. This goes right into my collection of banknotes with ships. Another piece from Yugoslavia, this time a 500 billion dinar note from 1993. The numbers were astronomical during the hyperinflation era. From the Maldives, we have a 5 rufiaya note. The design and colors are truly captivating. Here's a 100 pesos note from Mexico, a red polymer banknote that stands out for its vibrant color and intricate design. From Singapore, a $1 note featuring a ship. This will also join my collection of maritime-themed banknotes. A unique find from the Cook Islands, a $3 polymer banknote featuring a depiction of a naked woman. It's certainly one of the more unique designs out there. The polymer notes will go into my polymer collection. We also have some coins from Pridnestrovi, adding to the diversity of today's haul. Lastly, a 50 dirham polymer banknote from the UAE. The transition to polymer notes is a global trend, and this is a fine example of it. And there you have it, folks. Each of these banknotes and coins has its own story, and I'm thrilled to add them to my collection. The commemorative ones into the commemorative collection, and those with ships into my maritime-themed collection. It's been a fantastic unpacking session, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this.